There are lots of online keyword suggestion tools, but the one from Google has the advantage that it will show you what Google thinks the keywords for your website are. So we're going to start out by just typing in the address of our lab website. And Google is going to tell us what it thinks our site is about. We see lesson plans, social studies, printable worksheets, preschool activities. All of these are things that are reasonable for people to search with to find our website. So this tells us that our content is okay. We're not confusing the search engines. If we were seeing any surprises here, that would tell us that we needed to check our content and make sure that we were getting across what it is exactly that we do. So having had a look, we can see that we have quite a lot of different things that our website appears to be about, and we can look at different aspects of that. So we can see the competition. We've got ours sorted by the search volume globally. So we see that lesson plans has a high search volume, and it has a low competition. That makes it a good choice for us. If we were a local website, if we had a brick and mortar store or a service that was more geographically specific, then we would want to check by local monthly searches instead of the global monthly searches. Once we have some ideas about websites that we might want to use, we can search another way. We see that we're okay for lesson plans and teacher resources, but there are some other terms that people might use that didn't show up on our list. So classroom activities might be a good choice for us, or perhaps school resources would be a good term for us to look for. When you put in the words or phrases like that, it doesn't check on the basis of what's already on your website, but rather just on the terms that you've suggested. So we're seeing some surprises right here. We see discovery. Well, we know that there is a website, the Discovery School website, that has classroom activities and school resources. So we can see that they're already doing pretty well on that one. But worksheets is one that we hadn't really thought about. We do have printable worksheets on our website, and this is a term with high search volume and low competition. So that might be a good one for us to consider. Our idea about school resources is not showing up very high on our list. We can continue looking down and see whether maybe it would still be a good one for us. But we probably should think about some of these that are at the top that we would be able to rank for and which we're not already using.